Alright, so Minute, you like iOS 26. Well, let's just say you do. I don't care if you don't. Let's just say you do. I really like the liquid glass and the brand new icons of iOS 26, and I definitely want to put it on an older iPhone. But I can't because these old iPhones don't run iOS 26. The maximum compatibility of iOS 26, or minimum compatibility, sorry, is an iPhone SE second gen or an iPhone 11. But today, that is going to be false because we're going to be giving this iPhone the liquid glass effect on iOS 13. So let's get started. So yeah, as you can see, I've already jailbroken it, and yes, it does require a jailbreak. I skipped the whole jailbreaking part because I didn't really want to deal with the whole entire jailbreaking process. It would have been boring, and trust me, it would have been not worth it to watch the video. So I just skipped it, and yeah, as you can see, this is an iPhone 13 running iOS, iPhone 13, iPhone 7 running iOS 13.4.1, and it's actually in pretty good, decent condition if you look at the back here. But here's the thing, it doesn't run iOS 26. It doesn't have the liquid glass icons. It has the old icons and the old theme. But today, that's going to be changing today because we're going to be we're going to be making this look like iOS 26. So we're going to start off the wallpaper. Obviously, this is going to be the first here, which is going to be the wallpaper. We're going to type in iOS 26 wallpaper. There we go. You should probably find some wallpapers. For some reason, it's pretty difficult to find some. I know I'm probably shouting on many other people, so
Bruh.
oh wow, I just clicked on something I didn't want to click. Dang. What the heck? That is so weird. All right, there you go. We're gonna save the photos. Let's go to settings here. I'm gonna go to wallpaper, selecting wallpaper. No, that's what I do not want to do. And we're going to go to photos, and here's our wallpaper, iOS 26 wallpaper. That looks perfect. We're actually just going to go, yeah, I think that should be perfect. Set both. And here we are, we got the iOS 26 wallpaper up and running. But now we need the icons. So we're going to go to Cilia. We're going to go download some dependencies online because we do need some dependencies from the iOS 26 or the jailbreak guide. So it's called ios.cfw.guide. So we're going to go here now. Give it a sec. Here it is. Yeah, this is the guide I use to actually jailbreak the iPhone. It's pretty handy dandy. I really like it. So just for this to be easier to read, I'm going to turn on dark mode for you guys. So yeah. Alright. Here we go. 13. I'm going to go iOS 13. And we're now going to go all the way down to here, necessary software. We're going to go download that necessary software. Also, don't laugh. If the phone is out of the frame, please don't blame me. I am literally looking at the phone and not looking at the camera, so that's my fault. So we're going to get something called lib.io. Alright, so we're going to upgrade. And we're going to click confirm. Done. And now we're going to go back. And we're going to go get lib hooker common get, and we're also going to get reference loader, and we're also going to get rocket bootstrap, which is going to be letting me actually get the actual thing working. So now we're going to click on Q. Okay, confirm. Oh, wait a sec.
You serious?
What the heck happened there? What the heck? Okay.
One eternity later.
Yep, there you go. Confirm. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Confirm. There we go. Now we're having some progress. And we're going to start the springboard now. Hopefully, we'll get started in getting iOS 2016. Okay, so now we need to get something called the solid glass theme. the solid glass theme is basically a theme made from solid that basically allows the liquid glass icons to be here. It's not we're not going to be getting real liquid glass, so in case you're thinking we're going to get like animations like these, and we're going to get actual liquid glass, you're wrong. You were very mistaken. If you really thought that, click off this video and get an iPhone SE or something like that. So here you go, solid glass. Oh, I think I can do this. Glass icon theme iOS. Okay, there you go. All right, here we go. So as you can see here, we're gonna go to the repo, where it is. Now I can't do the actual like control center because it's iOS 13 and I don't have iOS 16. Here it is, solid glass 2. I think that should be it. There you go. Add vintage repo. You have Cilio open, and we should add the source. Add the source, and here it is. We have the themes, solid glass 2. We also have rootless, but we'll try the regular one just in case something goes wrong. And all right, pray for me now. Here we go. We're now downloading. Okay, it's actually glitching out. Oh, okay, there you go. You saw that, y'all. -1 byte. Are you serious? Okay, so now we also need snowboard, which is going to be allowing me to actually get the themes. Snowboard. That's the one we want. So we're gonna click install, click Q, and here we go. We're now installing a snowboard. Restart the springboard, and as you can see here, we are now in action. We now go hold. And now we're going to click on settings. We're going to scroll down. We can now go to snowboard and click select theme. And here is the solid glass theme. We're going to apply the change. Now, I don't know if we can get, yeah, so another thing I actually want to go get is something called AIM, which basically lets you change the lock screen icon, like the actual like lock screen. All right, now, let's also, just in case, I'm also going to go check if there's a way to like get gestures. So, anyway, yeah, as you can see here, that is the iOS 26 theme. So if we go compare it to the real iOS 26, oh, 1 second, I have dark mode on. My apologies. You can see here, it's very identical compared to the real iOS 26, with the exception of the beta 1 icons, because as you can see here, they actually use the beta 1 icons rather than the release icons, and obviously there's no real liquid glass available, so you don't get the glassy effect like on iOS 26. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. This is a little bit of an idea. I also did this on an iPhone 6, but not on a 6S, which also has iOS, which actually has iOS 15. So yeah, so for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.